Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to apply PVC Aadhaar card within 3 minutes. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all click to access this Aadhaar official webpage uidai.gov.in and this is used for all Aadhaar services. So now in this homepage section you can scroll down. So in first category of Get Aadhaar, you can press this one blue link, Order Aadhaar PVC card, and one new window is opening. So here it asks for your Aadhaar card details like Aadhaar number. So I try to put my informations and also type the security code. So once you enter the details, just select Send to OTP. Because they verify your details. So once you receive the OTP, just put in this section. And it shows me Aadhaar card preview. So you can check your details. So next step is payment because this UIDAI will ask for 50 rupees and this is for PVC card making process. So I try to complete this step. So you can press make payment. So you can use your card payments or net banking or UPI transactions and this is for your choice. So finally my payment process is successfully completed. So if you like to download your payment receipt, just press this link. So otherwise you can leave it. So now in this section you can note this SRN number and it has 28 digits number. And this will help you to track your PVC Aadhaar card status. So you can note it. So anyway, how to check it? The status of your PVC Aadhaar card. So just go to that official website. So now this time you can press this link. Check Aadhaar PVC card status. So here you can enter that 28 digits SRN number. And also put your Aadhaar card number. So and then press check status. So finally you can see, so it shows payment successful, which means that my PVC card is ready to print. So this is the way you can easily order your PVC Aadhaar card by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts. And thanks for watching.